Welcome to the Technical Tech Points. As you can see in this video, we will see how to connect your MySQL step by step to your website. So let's start. Your website to your SQL server, you have to must follow these four steps. First is install MySQL to your local system. Second one is yet SQL path to your environment variables. And step third, MySQL 2 package installed in your file, and step 4 set SQL password in your terminal. So let's start step by step. So first move to the step 1. Open your browser and search here MySQL and enter. Go to the MySQL link, tap to this and scroll down. Go into the download section and scroll down and go to the MySQL community GPL downloads. And here you can see MySQL installer for Windows. So tap to this and download this window into 86 30 bytes MSI installer. Tap to download and click to the no thanks, just start for my download. Here you can see your MySQL install web community downloaded. So after that you have to open your downloaded MySQL. So I have already installed. So let me start run as administrator. You have to install. So tap to the yes button. Here you can see I have already connected to SQL. So let me cut and start as administrator. You have to see this appearing window. So you have to go to your custom, or you can, as you can go full. So after going custom, this display will appear. So go to the MySQL server, add this, and after clicking this, add this MySQL and this server, and click to this, and second go to the application and MySQL workbench and add this, and click to the right. I have already added, and here you can see MySQL. You need this, then you can add, as I can see. After that, go to the download and processing, and after last, yeah, this SQL want password. So you have to set password and remember the password, because this password is very important to connect your SQL to your website. So after completing this, go to the step 2. Your step 2 is add SQL part to your environment variables. So go to your local system and this PC and operating system. After this, go to the program file. Here you can see your program file in your local variable, local system. So go to the program file, and after going program file, looking for MySQLs, go to the MySQL and MySQL server 8.0 and bin. Go to this server copy the path, and here you can search window menu, control panel, and system and security. Go to the system. Here you can see advanced system setting, and go to this environment variable, and here you can see path. Tap to this path and edit, or and you can see I have already added your SQL path in your environment variable. So you have to click here and paste and click to the OK. So I have already did, so we will not add again, and OK, and then OK. It means your SQL environment added and SQL installed. For confirmation, open your command and search here SQL hyphen hyphen version. Sorry for error. You have to say type command mysql hyphen hyphen version. Here you can see your SQL version is showing. So go to the your step 3. Step 3 is MySQL 2 package. So you have to install MySQL 2 package. So after first you have to make a folder to create your website. So go to your VS Code and create new folder. Control Shift N and SQL project, and open this, and in this you have to install npm package. So open your terminal and install MySQL 2 package into your website or folder. So for installing you have to type npm install MySQL 2 and enter. Here you can see your MySQL 2 is installing. So here you can see your MySQL 2 installed. Here you can see package location MySQL 2 version 3.11.5. So now we will have to create your index file for running this index.js. This is your entering point, and you have to write for connect SQL. You have to require your SQL. So const SQL is equal to require require your MySQL 2 because we have to install MySQL 2. So MySQL 2. After requiring MySQL 2, you have to make connection. So const connection is equal to SQL dot create connection and in the parameter it's take. In the parameter it's take an object and host and user and database name, and fourth one is your password. You want this for you want host, user and database and password to connect SQL to your website. So I have already created a database. So your host, always local host, and your user root and your database name. So when you will create database, then SQL wants database name. So type here or write here their database name. So I have created a database sigma app and I have set password. So type password here, and after that we have created a connection to your SQL. So after this you have to write try catch block for your query. Error, and when it gives error, then show your error. Console.log print error. So here we will write your queries, SQL queries. So type here connection dot query, and in the argument it's take two parameter. First your query, so show tables, and here your arrow function. In this parameter box, two parameters. First one is your error, and second one is your result. When throw occurs, error occurs, then throw errors. If comes error, throw error, throw error. If not occur any error, then run this and print your result. Console.log print result. And now we will move to your step 4. So your step 4 is your set SQL password in terminal. For set SQL password to your terminal, you have to write set SQL password in terminal. So open your VS Code and go to your terminal and paste this command mysql -u root -p and enter. And here you can see enter password, and when you are installing MySQL, then it's take a password which you entered, so that password you will enter here. So right here you can see MySQL connection builded. So exit and run this your index file nodemon index index.js. Error is not found. It's gives any error not found. So check your code error and save here again. And here you can see your Sigma app. Sigma has only one table, which is user. So when we want to, so here you can see your MySQL and your website connected to each other. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. For like more useful video, like, share and subscribe this channel. Have a good day.